This is the HUAWEI Nova 10 SE, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can turn off the parental control option on this device. So to start off, launch the Kids Locks app. Then choose to enter the Kids Locks. As a parent, enter the PIN code that you have previously set for it. And simply swipe the, child that you're supervising over here, or the device / child / device. To the left, tap on a trash bin icon and confirm that you would like to delete this device, thus stop supervising it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.